Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to use Clearpay on Amazon. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing, before we proceed with the steps, first thing I want to have to discuss here is what is Clearpay. Where Clearpay is actually Afterpay, it just depends on where you're located or in the specific region. It's going to be named at either Clearpay or Afterpay. So it depends on where you are located. Clearpay and Afterpay is actually the same thing. So first thing we need to do here is we need to open up any browser here and we need to go to google.com. Now from here on Google, what we need to do is we need to search for the following keywords, which is going to be Amazon gift card Afterpay. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on it and just press on enter. Now from here, you should be able to see a link for Afterpay here. Go ahead and open it up. And from here, you should be able to see the gift card section for Amazon. So currently, this is the only way for us to use Amazon on Clearpay or Afterpay, wherein we need to use a gift card for it. Now in this case, go ahead and proceed and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.